Well, it's Friday, September 24th, and I'm out here at Ken Landsberg's and Matt Frostic's, and we're taking a side-by-side with Pioneer 37 F76 and DeKalb DKC 5044. And what you're looking at right now is Matt is in the Pioneer 37 F76, and we're going to get the comparisons out of that strip, and then we'll jump into DeKalb 5044. On the other side of the field we have DeKalb 5044 and Pioneer P0125HR. Mighty windy day today. This corn is really starting to go down. I'd encourage anybody to get out there and get their corn off. Too many more of these windstorms, we're going to really lose some yield. Okay. This is the 37 F76 again.
See it?
Yeah. Yeah,
you can turn right here.
Yep. Yep.
Now this is 76 here, that was DeKalb. Look at the difference.
Yeah, yeah, you can really see the difference, can't you?
No.
Okay, now we're in DeKalb 44, DKC 44. 5044. Now we're in P0125. Still P0125. HR.
What's HR stand for? Home run?
It's a Herculux 1.
Oh.
It's not a triple stack. Okay, now we're back into the DeKalb 5044. Pass we took out right alongside of it was the P0125 HR. Now what he's combining here is the DeKalb 5044, DKC 5044.